Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Lainey. So I decided to try out a style guide. I wanted to try somebody like putting outfits together for me. I checked out this website called Fashionly, and I kind of went through the process with you guys. But you do this online quiz, which is honestly just like fun to do that kind of stuff. They will give you outfits from online stores, and they said they would do thrifted pieces too based on the questions you answered. You send in your Pinterest board. This is the Pinterest board I sent in, and I paid $75 I think for 5 outfits. So I got 5 outfits that they put together, and then there was like a whole page of additional pieces. The actual slideshow you get is so professional. The style guide, it's really nice that everything is like hyperlinked, so it's really easy to click on what it talks about and get straight to the link. So for somebody who doesn't like just like aimlessly online shopping, this is awesome. They do all that heavy lifting for you. And this is where I kind of see my issue with it, because I like to aimlessly online shop. Like, I've seen most of these pieces before, and I don't know why I was really thinking that I was going to see so many pieces of clothing that I've never seen before. Something I do like is they don't do very overtly trendy stuff. They gave me stuff that would be like more search for, so that was really cool. So then I also said that I was comfortable spending I think I said $100 per piece. And why did I say that? Because I added up how much each of these outfits was gonna cost. I was gonna buy each outfit and try it on bod. You guys, if I did that, I would have just said a cheaper one. So let me know if you guys want to see the lowest end of this and what they could have worked with, because then that was something else. Each piece in these outfits, each item is $100 or over $100. So I can make some pretty cool outfits too if I have no budget. But that was a budget. Let me first read you the whole thing they sent. So it says, "Hey Lainey, we had so much fun working with you. See attached for all your looks. Again, you can just hover over and click on the product descriptions for direct website links. There are a few extra pieces on the last page." So they kind of go into what I answered in my survey questionnaire. "You have so many looks for the work from home and the weekend for a cool girl fall. A lot of these pieces can mix and match to get more out of your guide. For example, look 1 is a great day for a weekend grabbing lunch with friends. You can also wear this sweater with striped PJ pants from look 2 and the skirt with a graphic tee in look 2 as well." So they kind of go through that for almost every outfit of how you can mix and match, which I really, really appreciate. And I think somebody who maybe just doesn't look at clothes like that as being able to go with so many outfits, it'd be a very, very, very good thing. So that's what the entire first paragraph is. And then it just says, "I hope you find some great new pieces and have fun putting the new outfits together. Everything was pulled in the last several days, so let me know if you need any replacements for anything for size, availability, or sellout." Okay, let's get into the first outfit. So look number 1 is a weekend out with friends. So they didn't put brands in anything, but I know the brands because I looked it all up. I think that this outfit is freaking adorable. And I think I had shoes like this on my Pinterest board. I want to look. So I had basically these little strappy kitten heels on there, which I feel is kind of my bad because they're so stinking cute, but I just know I wouldn't wear those kind of shoes day to day, which is my fault. I really like this green bag. I love the little choker. I basically have sunglasses like that. I'm not a big silver jewelry girl, which I swore it asked me in the quiz. I can look back, and I would never say I wear silver jewelry because I just don't. The sweater is definitely something I would wear, and the maxi skirt is definitely something I'd wear. Feels like something I could put together, but I know that I don't know, I feel like I'm a weird person to do this on because I already do like putting outfits together. This would be so good for somebody who struggles with putting outfits together. I looked at all these pieces and I added them all up. The sweater is And Other Stories. It's $119. I thrift these sweaters all the time for $10. The skirt is Reformation, $158. The sunglasses are $65. Earrings are $37. The bow necklace is only $12. It's on sale. And then the purse is $68, and the shoes are $148, making the first outfit, and this is nothing against them, this is what I asked for, I'm just an idiot, $607. That is so expensive. I don't think I've ever worn an outfit worth that much money. I can confidently say I've never worn an outfit worth that much money. So it was just me being stupid, not thinking that every piece was going to be $100 or over $100. I'm comfortable with one piece being that much in the outfit and the rest being thrifted, so it's my fault. Okay, But it's a cute outfit. I like it. Next outfit is something that I would 1000% already wear. It's work from home, comfy but chic. I am obsessed with these sunglasses. I think they are so cute. I feel like I need a pair. Like those sunglasses with this little retro top and my haircut would be so cute. I like that we reuse the purse and like some of the accessories from different outfits. You'll see that. The Gani t-shirt, like it's cute. I just like don't see purpose in designer t-shirts. I think it's like a waste of money, and I'm sorry if you don't think that, but my boyfriend prints t-shirts and his are way more sentimental to me than like wearing a designer t-shirt for no reason. It's cute, and I basically have these pinstripe pants, so that was cool. I wouldn't normally pair these type of shoes with it, and I have a pair just like that, so I might try that out for like this kind of outfit. So I'm glad that it gave me that kind of inspo, but yeah, I really like this outfit, but I don't need a designer t-shirt. So going through the outfit, and I didn't like add the purse into it again because we technically already bought that if we did, so it would be less expensive because I don't repeat items. So the t-shirt's $95, the pants are $54, the sunglasses are $25, the earrings are $78, necklace is $60, other necklace is $60, and the shoes are $148. Making outfit number 2 without repeating the items, $519. I can just get this outfit for so much less. So this is not me. It's not their fault. Again, I just want to keep saying that. It is my fault for saying this much. I was okay with spending this much. I am not okay with spending this much on an outfit. Outfit number 3, running errands and coffee runs. I love this type of outfit. Definitely gave me some inspo. The jacket is so cute. I already have one like it, and I think it's a really easy jacket to thrift, like Depop, eBay. So many good prices for that. Track pants, Adidas track pants. Get them secondhand. They're so much cheaper secondhand. I'm definitely gonna find a green pair of Adidas track pants now because I do really like how this looks. The sunglasses are adorable. I don't know if I would do these little ballet flats with this outfit. I think it's fun. It's definitely like, seems like it would be my style, but on bod, I don't know, it might just not work as well. So the jacket is BDG, it's Urban Outfitters, $99. The pants are $85. Like that's just so much for those track pants. And I don't like Adidas track pants that have the seam down the front, ironed to have that front seam. I don't like that. Just normal people wouldn't care about those kind of things, but I am very picky about my clothes. The sunglasses are $69. I think they're adorable. The bag is $88. It's a style dupe. And the shoes are $89, which I think are adorable. Adorable, adorable, adorable. Bringing outfit number 3 to $430, where that is such an outfit that you could thrift everything. I don't know, should we do part 2 to this where I thrift all the outfits and see how cheap I can make them? I don't know, I just wish there was an option to make everything thrifted, and I know that would be so much harder on this like stylists making these. I'm a difficult girl, I guess. Look number 4, Copenhagen Fall. That's so funny because that is exactly what this is. I think the little sweater vest is so freaking adorable. I love it with a pair of boxer shorts. Like I would 1000% wear that. The sunglasses are very cute. The bag's cute. I don't like the boots really at all. I don't like a lug sole boot like that. And honestly, like just all black accessories kind of bores me too. The sweater that is so stinking cute is $150. I would never spend that much on one item. I've done that once, the Orson Iris top, and that's all I'll ever do it on, I think. Okay, and then this, like the shorts. They're just little boxer shorts, and they're $100. What? Just link me to a pair of Old Navy boxer, like, you know what I mean? It's not their fault. It's my fault for saying I would spend this much. Hoops were $58, pendant necklace is $19, the tote bag $70, and then the boots were on sale for $79. So altogether, outfit number 4 is $477. God, I hope you guys like don't see me as like complaining. It's my fault. But if you guys use this app or use this service, which I think is a really cool and like useful service, if you're into this, make this mistake I did. Say you're willing to spend $10 per item. Because I do like all the accessories, but I don't want to spend $100 on each accessory or even $50 on each accessory. I am such a, like I'm cheap in that way, I guess. Okay, look number 5 is work from home and weekend day out. So I added this little like kerchief winter kind of scarf at the very end on my Pinterest board, and they worked it in there in the last outfit, but I thought that was cool that they very much do look at your Pinterest board. But yeah, let's just get into it. You guys know I don't like button-down collared shirts, So that was my fault for not saying I don't like that. I just don't like how they look on me with like bigger boobs. I feel like gape weird, so they're not my favorite. I like the little colored socks. They took that into account from my Pinterest board. I already have a wool coat like that, so I wouldn't buy it. Like I already have denim like that, so I wouldn't buy it. The button-down striped shirt is $49 from Urban Outfitters, and it's urban renewal, which means that they just either like get a bunch of dead stock and resell it, or they're thrifting it and you get one kind of like it. They could have linked me to just like a cheap one on Depop or eBay for literally 10 bucks, but here we are on Urban Outfitters for a pinstripe button down. That's the only part that bothers me. It feels like an easy way out. The jeans are Levi's 501s 90s jeans. They are $98. I don't know, there's something about them I don't like, that like front fading on the knee. The trench is from NAKD. It's $119. I would never buy one of these trenches new, a wool trench. There's so many for secondhand for literally such better quality than NAKD. Probably still $100 if you get a really nice one, or way cheaper. I'm pretty sure I got mine for like 75 bucks. It's real wool. It is like in vintage and amazing condition. I'm so annoying. This J. Crew bag is cute, but it's $148. I guess that's not that much for a bag, but for like somebody who thrifts and knows thrifting price, it is. This kerchief is $58 from Etsy, which I like that. I like getting like smaller business stuff like this secondhand using Etsy as the links. Like that's my favorite, so I was happy that I got this one. And then the little penny loafers I love. They're from Mango. $139. Even penny loafers though, like I wouldn't get them from Mango, but I would just get a nicer loafer. Like I have thrifted Sperry topsider ones that are real leather for 50 bucks. No, they were literally like 20 bucks. I'm annoying. And that outfit, $532. Again, I didn't repeat any of the accessories in there, so it's more than that. So altogether, if I bought all of these items just from the outfits, it's $2,566 for 5 outfits. And I get you can mix and match them, but I don't even know if my entire closet equates to this much. It does. But still, like my entire closet is probably pretty close to this, just with like the thrifting and secondhand, and it's my fault. Okay, and then I just looked at like the links of everything they linked, because obviously I'm gonna look through every single thing. First is this like Adidas t-shirt. It just gives like insta baddie. I don't know why it's so bad to me. A little weight button up for $76. This top was the only thing that made my jaw drop. It's from the brand Shop Peche, which I have heard from before for shoes, but I never looked at their tops. I thought this top was really, really cute. It's $105, which is what I said I was comfortable spending, and it was the only thing that I was thinking about putting in my cart. Besides those sunglasses from Free People. Like, I'm just gonna get a pair secondhand because it's this little rugby shirt, which I did put a lot of rugby shirts in my fall whatever. I just don't like this one. It's cool, it's different, but I like a simple, like traditional rugby shirt. It's $158 from the brand Cool. I've never heard of that before. Here, Essence, some Adidas track pants. I will never buy Adidas track pants new. These blue gingham unisex trousers from Speltham. Absolutely love them. I have 2 pairs of pants from Speltham, and I think that that's like a really good brand to link because not a lot of people, it's like a smaller business, which I like. I'd rather have a bunch of small businesses in the links than Mango, which like I could go and look up and shop and like do pretty often. I don't know. I guess it was nice that there's no like Zara at least. Like Mango is a little bit more niche, but still. ASOS jacket, another Mango jacket. The ASOS one is $150. The Mango one is $200. COS sweater, $190, but it is really, really, really cute. These Madewell sunglasses that are adorable, on sale for 60 bucks. I love these little earrings. I just won't buy them. Jana, $55. Another one of those beaded bags, $88 from Anthropologie. This is Source Unknown, which I don't know why they give me dropship vibes. I don't know. $62. It's a cute bag. I don't like white leather. A random pair of just black socks, $17. This is another version of those like strappy shoes at $79. Really cute. I should have also said that I don't like patent leather. I don't know why I don't like patent leather. These ballet flats, adorable, $120, Dolce Vita. Another strappy shoe, Nordstrom, $125. And then these sandals, which were so random, $80. I don't like sandals, but they're cool and they're different and they're from Source Unknown, so I really don't like them. Yeah, but that was my experience with having a personal stylist. It'd be really cool to link them to like your open wardrobe account and send them the items you do already have in your account or in your wardrobe so they could like work that in. Even just having somebody come and style pieces with what you already have in your wardrobe would be really cool as like an avid shopper. Because I know I don't need new items. So that's why I wasn't the person meant for this kind of styling, and I get that, but I still wanted to try it out to see if you guys would like it. And yeah, I think there's like little tweaks that I would make, but for somebody else this is such a good bang for your buck. I think it is so cool to like have a personal stylist and really get to try it out and not be like you don't have to buy the items, and the fact that you get all these extra items and it could be still used as inspo and you go out and thrift the pieces. Like I did take this as inspo and I'm like, oh yeah, I will try an outfit like that. And I do want a pair of green Adidas track pants now. I just won't buy the ones that were lame, which kind of defeats a bit of the ease of the purpose. But yeah, I still thought it was really fun, and I was excited to receive my style guide. And if you want to see a video where I try and thrift these outfits for way cheaper, let me know, because that'd be fun. It might take me a minute to like find the pieces, but that's something I am willing to spend my time on instead of just clicking a link and buying new items.
So like I said, I have some exciting news when it regards my Squarespace website. I actually just made a new Squarespace website, and this one is for the online store. So you guys have been asking so much about this straw baby tee that Brandon screen prints himself, and we have finally found the blanks we want to use and get them to you guys. So Squarespace is perfect for selling your products on an online store. Whether you sell physical or digital products, Squarespace has the tools you need to start selling online. This is something you're interested in. Something that is really crucial to an online store is having a mailing list. Get the right message to the right people, collect email addresses through your website, and send subscribers the information they care about the most with a unique mailing list. And lastly, something I'm so big on that Squarespace always offers is the blogging and commenting features. Create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated commenting system that supports threaded comments, replies, and likes. Use their powerful blogging tools to categorize, share, and schedule your posts too. So make sure to check out squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/LaineyOzark to save 10% off the first purchase of a website or domain. See you guys on my site.
But yeah, that's it for this video. Remember to check out Fashionably. I will link them in the description box. Remember to set your pricing lower. And maybe I can do that for you guys, but that was a lot of fun. I'd like to do one of these one day. Okay, that's it. I love you guys the absolute most. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. I'll see you in a few days. Bye.